Following a workout video or a makeup tutorial is difficult when you have to keep glancing down at your phone to see what comes next. With WeatherTech's MirrorFone, you can easily mount your phone on the mirror and follow along. Let's take a closer look. MirrorFone is a phone holder that mounts to any smooth, flat surface, like mirrors, glass, or tile, making it easy to use and view your phone hands-free. Each MirrorFone allows you to view your phone in either vertical or landscape mode. Plus, each version features an open access design that lets you keep your device plugged in to charge while mounted. The rotating MirrorFones also give you the ability to tilt and rotate the viewing angle so you can get the ideal view for you. The entire MirrorFone family of products is designed, engineered, and manufactured in America by WeatherTech. So whether you're taking notes on a whiteboard or trying to get into that tricky yoga position in your workout video, you can mount your phone and keep your hands free with WeatherTech's MirrorFone.